Welcome back viewers to online classroom where we are learning 25 tools of lean manufacturing. In this video, we will cover lean tool 17, Jidoka. Jidoka was conceptualized at House of Lean, that is Toyota Motor Company. Understanding what is Jidoka, it is Japanese for automation, which means automation with human touch or intelligent automation. To define Jidoka, it is simple ways of protecting a company from producing and delivering low quality products or defects to their customers. Now the question arises, how? So it starts with any situation that can arise trouble or defect. In such situation, Jidoka is introduced to help with either stopping process automatically. Example can be our automatic washing machine or microwave oven, where if user open door while machine is in operation, operation will automatically cut off and machine stops. Next, by alerting operator about defect. Example can be low fuel alert in your vehicle or alert raised by car if seat belt is not tucked in. Automobile alerts driver in such situations so that it can be fixed spontaneously. Third way is also by eliminating the reason of stop. This is a bit more advanced method where reasons of stoppage are identified with root cause analysis methodology and solution or fix are taught to machine either in programming or using machine learning, upgrading in process controls to prevent similar situations in future. These are three methods by which automation can help avoid production and outflow of defect to customer. Coming to few fundamentals about Jidoka, first is when to trigger them. First is quality issues where defect is generated. Second is process issues which can generate a faulty part and in case of any material issue, either lack of it or faulty input material. Coming now to tools to stop or halt process or alerting. First are Pokayoke, second Endon. Both these tools can be learned in detail in other videos of this series. Third are inline controls, that is programming or machine logic. Coming finally to tools to restart or coming back from troubling situations are quick fixes, which can be deployed spontaneously to continue process, or root cause analysis and PDCA that require due study to improve process or product permanently. Sharing benefits of Jidoka. Jidoka helps with clear identification of problems. In a matured organization, use of Jidoka helps with reduced defective products and in turn less customer complaint leading to enhanced customer satisfaction. Tool also help embedding quality as DNA of process. Workman skill gets developed with improved process and controls. Most importantly, Jidoka establishes harmony between human and machine by adding human judgment to automated equipment. That is all we have for Jidoka. Subscribe channel to learn more tools and latest updates on more content to come. Like and share video to show your support. Leave your feedback in comment section. See you again in next video with next lean tool, Visual Factory. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.